Hello and welcome to my show. This is called How to Make an Egg with Mayonnaise Pita Sandwich. First thing you gotta do is spread the mayonnaise onto the pita bread. Do this one too. Poured on, just put the mayonnaise back in the fridge, and you put the knife in the sink so it can get washed. Ready to go in the dishwasher. Now that the wraps are ready to almost go with the eggs. Now we gotta do is wait until the eggs are cooked. Oh yeah, it's almost ready. Well, getting close, but not even close yet. Has to cook a little longer. And we gotta let it cook some more. Just put it on a couple of minutes to go with the eggs with the green pans. Check the eggs. Oh yeah, almost ready. Turn now temperature to 3.0 to make sure it's almost ready. From 4.0 to 3.0. That's how you cook the eggs on the stove. And it's cooking really well. Just gotta make sure it's not overcooked and really greasy, because it could really upset your stomach. Gotta be careful with that. Ooh, the eggs smell really good. Oh yeah. Now this egg is ready. And now the other egg is ready. Now, you wrap up the egg pita sandwich with mayonnaise, but not too much. And here is your egg and mayonnaise pita sandwiches. Enjoy it, ready to taste and eat. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.